Hi guys, I'm here to show you today how I take and make an old lipstick into a new lipstick. This is an old lipstick that I took out of here. You know how you always have lipsticks that break on you, or you use them up and you still have some on the inside and you're like, darn, and you use a lip brush to take it out. Well, let me show you how I fix that. I take the content out of the lipstick. Like this one, you could see it's right to the edge. So I use 3 lipsticks that are like this. Doesn't have to be the same color. You can mix and match all the colors you want, make new ones. Say you buy a lipstick that you don't like and it's too dark, too light, whatever, you can adjust it. So I went on to Amazon and I purchased these lipstick containers. The number's kind of faded, but these are empty. It's DIY tube, empty tube. Let me see, DIY lipstick tube, empty tube it says. And let me see if I can read the number. It looks like it's X001BG8947. Okay, if you're interested in ordering these, let me show you what it looks like. 6 come in a package, as a matter of fact. So you get this beautiful lipstick cartridge and it comes empty, as you see here. Now the fun part was taking my old lipsticks and melting them and making a new lipstick. Now these are 2 lipsticks. I emptied them. Now I'm going to show you what I did. I also purchased this here. It's called Lady Lip H Made Set 3 Bird WI. I don't know what that is. And it's X00176TEGX. Alright, that's what I ordered from Amazon. And what you're going to get is 3 pieces. You're going to get this this plastic stand. You're going to get a silicone tube, which I've already filled and I'm going to show you, and this aluminum little rim here. So what you do is you melt your lipstick, and I'll be showing you how I did this. I just needed to take this and make it ahead of time so I can show you how to assemble it. So what I did was I took 3 lipsticks that were already low. I melted it together. So what I do is now I take off this little neck rim here, this little collar, and you'll see what's left. Now basically all you do now is reinsert it into your lipstick container, and I find that by turning this lipstick, you'll see the silicone, it starts to get white. That has released the lipstick. Alright, and here it is. You have a brand new lipstick. Alright, and it comes out really, really nice. Now I took mine and I froze it so that way it would set up quickly and I could show you. Now this lipstick is good to go again. So here, now that I got this empty, I will show you. Here's the lipstick. It's silicone. As you saw, it releases the lipstick well. It's got a little aluminum collar and a little plastic cylinder that holds the silicone, and it holds the little rim like that. So now I will show you what we can do. So I already did everything backwards, so I'll show you how I get from where I got to where I'm at. So let me see. Now what I do is, like, let's take this lipstick. You see this lipstick? It's all broken. Oops. It's broken. So what I do is I take a spoon. This is some leftover lipstick from a previous project that I did, which I'll show you. Let me just put this here. This is another lipstick with the container that I purchased from Amazon in the black cover. And this is a few lipsticks that I created, a few colors, and I mixed it into one, and I have a new lipstick. Alright, so like I said, this is a lipstick that I just showed you. So I take, let me grab my handy dandy, a bobby pin that I opened up because I like it. This is actually a lipstick that my youngest son saw on me, and he didn't particularly like the color on me. He said, "Ma, I don't like that." He says, "It doesn't look good on you." So that being the case, here it goes. I'm going to transform it. Now to melt the color down, you could either use a spoon like I'm using, a candle beneath it, or you could use a warmer. I haven't used a warmer, but if you have one, you want to use it. But what I have used is my heat gun for crafting. So like I said, that color, my son did not really care for it. So I'm going to see what other color I might have that I can throw in there to make it darker. Okay, so this is really, really dark color that I have. It's been used. So I think I'm just going to add a little bit of that into there. Mix and match. And we'll see what comes out. It's going to be a little noisy. It'll take a few seconds, but I want you to see the whole process. I've been meaning to share this video, but time just slips away. See how quick that melts it. I'm going to come to the top and hit it a little bit. Just going to stop a little bit and start mixing my colors. I found this one day and I said, this is amazing. Where has this been all my life? Because I am the kind of person who doesn't throw away all my lipsticks when they're low. And I've been having fun recreating new colors and mixing tubes of what I do like together. All right, let me see. Maybe have too much lipstick in here. Well, let me heat that up a little bit more. Now with anything of heat of any kind, I really recommend that you have water near you. I'm gonna start mixing a little bit. Should have gotten a bigger spoon. And I don't care if the lipstick is marbleized. It makes it more interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pouring some of this in here. In my next video I'll get a bigger spoon. I have more ideas that I've come up with, so I'll be showing you separate videos. I'm making a mess. I pulled out the wrong spoon. All right. You can see the marbleizing of the colors in here. I'm going to try and pour this in here without making a mess. Oh, that measured perfectly. It came right up. Alright, so now this goes into the freezer for a little while till it sets up and cools up, and you pop it into your lipstick container as I showed you before. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I have more ideas. I'm going to come back in a different video and show you what I've done, and hope it inspires you, and stop throwing away your used lipsticks, your broken lipsticks, your lipsticks that you don't like. You can mix and match them and make up new lipsticks. Alright guys, I hope you've liked this video, and you give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and you can leave me questions and comments. And I am not getting any promotional anything from these companies, so I just thought I wanted to share it with you. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.